Ever wondered how you can transform everyday items into something extraordinary using science? Welcome to the fascinating world of DIY tech hacks, where ordinary becomes extraordinary and fun meets practicality. These hacks, rooted in simple scientific principles, can make life surprisingly simple. Stay tuned to discover some easy and interesting DIY tech hacks. First, let's turn an ordinary paper plate into a homemade speaker. Start by attaching a coil of wire to the plate. Next, place a magnet near the coil but not touching it. When you connect the wire to an audio source, the electrical signals will create a magnetic field around the wire. This interacts with the magnet, causing the plate to vibrate and produce sound. It's a fascinating example of how vibrations can create sound. And there you have it, a simple and effective homemade speaker. Next, we'll transform a shoebox and a magnifying glass into a DIY projector. Start by cutting a hole in the shoebox, then place the magnifying glass into the hole. This will act as your lens. The science magic happens when light from your phone's screen passes through the lens, magnifying and projecting the image onto a wall. With a little bit of adjustment for focus, and perhaps some darkness for effect, you've just created magic. Voila! Your very own DIY projector, all set to display your favorite videos. Today, we've explored some amazing DIY tech hacks. We've turned a simple cup and a mobile phone into a homemade speaker, and a shoebox into a projector. It's fun, practical science at work. So go ahead, have fun with science, and transform your everyday items into extraordinary gadgets.